This Shop Series Oscillating Spindle Sander kit is equipped with a 3.5 amp motor, making it ideal for sanding contours, arcs, curves, and other irregular shapes. The sander operates at 58 oscillations per minute with rubber foot pads to reduce vibration and improve operator comfort. This kit comes with 6 sanding sleeves, 6 table inserts, 5 rubber sanding drums, and 5 drum washers, while the onboard storage keeps sanding drums and throat plates from getting lost. Check the link in the description below to get the most updated price in real time. You never know when these things might go on sale. The built-in exhaust port allows for a vacuum cleaner connection to keep the work area clean, and the keyed safety switch prevents accidental starting. The Shop Series Oscillating Spindle Sander kit comes with a 2-year limited warranty that protects against defects in materials and workmanship. Built for performance and value, Shop Series brings superior engineering and design to a line of power tools designed to last. Reliability, ease of use, precision, and innovative features are all here to aid the user in completing their projects with speed and quality. From DIYers to homeowners, Shop Series tools will get the job done right. What makes this product a smarter choice? Number 1. Powerful 3.5 amp Oscillating Spindle Sander, ideal for sanding contours, arcs, and curves. Number 2. Includes 6 sanding sleeves, 6 table inserts, 5 rubber sanding drums, and 5 drum washers. Number 3. Delivers 58 oscillations per minute. Number 4. Built-in exhaust port allows for vacuum cleaner connection to keep the work area clean. Number 5. 2-year limited warranty protects against defects in materials and workmanship, and so much more. Thanks for watching. I leave my affiliate links down in the video description below. Click on those links and they'll give you most updated prices in real time. You never know when these things might go on sale.